We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Special in Superior Blue. Also has that lighter bright blue pinstriping throughout. We have dual disc brakes on the front. We have ABS front and rear. Engine guards on the front. Rider floorboards. Beautiful chrome engine and exhaust. Locking saddlebags and quick disconnect hardware. So those blue pinstripes again. And all of this is on top of that 103 cubic inch engine. We run off of a fob, so we are keyless, and miles are only 1,731. We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.